I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon.
Welcome back to my channel. Nikia Lindsay here. For those who are new, go ahead down below, hit that subscribe button so you can be alert for when I post my new videos. If you're an old faithful subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Today I have this African print inspired makeup look. I bought this shirt in the summertime and I've never worn it, and I saw it in my closet. I grabbed it and I was like, oh, boom, bow, do a makeup look inspired by this. So I hope I did the shirt some justice. If you want to see how I got this African print inspired look, girl, keep on watching. So my brows are already done. I used my LA Colors eyebrow pencil. That eyebrow pencil I got from the dollar store. It cost $2.99. And then I went in with my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. I use this to actually fill in my brows, so my brows are already done. My skin is already moisturized. To moisturize my face, I use this First Aid Beauty Intense Moisture Cream. My eyes are already primed. I use my Urban Decay Primer Potion, you know, the regular shebang. I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. I'm going to use that as my all-over eyeshadow base because the colors that I'm using are super bright. I'm taking this Kiko High Pigment Wet and Dry eyeshadow. It's a matte yellow shade. It looks like this. I'm going to be taking that color dry with a Morphe B19 brush. It's just a nice blending brush. It's really fluffy. I'm going to be using that as my transitional color. Before I continue with the rest of the eye, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Ablaze palette. I use this color always on my brow bone. This one. It's in the color Moccasin. If you watch my videos, then you should already know, like, that's all I put on my brow bone these days. It's a nice gold color. I'm going to be taking this Coastal Scents eyeshadow color in the color Fresh Chive. It looks like this. I know y'all are saying I have a lot of Coastal Scents eyeshadows, but I really don't. I have a few. I'm just taking that color and blending it back and forth. I'm using nice circular motions to blend it out so I can disperse the color more. And the look I'm going for is a cut crease. So I'm just blending it all out, circular motion. And I'm going to drag it out because I'm going to do a dragged out, like a long cut crease. I'm going to go in with my Kiko Matte Black Eyeshadow. The number is 180. They go by numbers at Kiko. So I'm just taking this matte black color, like the only black that I use. I'm taking that, and I'm taking, what brush am I going to take? I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It's like a blending brush, but it's kind of like a tapered blending brush. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put this into my crease and blend it into the green to darken it. I go back in with my blending brush that I use for the green, and And I'm going to add a little bit more green onto that brush, and I'm going to blend out the black into the green. So I have that green all blended in with the black. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Yeah, I kind of took off a little bit too much green. I kind of took off too much green, which I'm really upset about. But it's okay. You gotta make it. We gonna make it do what it do, honestly. So now I'm taking my Kiko High Pigment Wet Dry Eyeshadow in the number 86. It looks like this. It's like kind of like a light teal. Like a turquoisey teal color, I believe I want to say. This, and I'm going to put it on my inner corner space. That's pretty. This is a Stila brush, by the way. That right there, if you can see, in my inner corner. I'm gonna go back in with that yellow shade by Kiko, and I'm gonna put that on half of my eye space, right next to the turquoisey color. Ooh. Got a smooth yellow, ladies and gentlemen. So I have the yellow on my eye. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 350M2 palette, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this orange shade. And I'm going to put it on the rest of my eye space. I want to add a little bit more to this look, so I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter. I'm going to be using these two craft glitters. Yep, I said craft glitters. That's right. This orange one. And I believe this is a yellow one. To me, it looks yellow. It's going to be yellow today. For my liner, I'm just using my NYX Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm gonna go off camera now, finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I finished off the eyes. I added a white liner to the crease area because I wanted to be extra, a little fancy, schmancy, and I kind of regret it, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. It looks kind of nice. I just added the white eyeliner from the tail all the way in, right until I get to like the inner eye. I added my lashes. My lashes are just these blue box lashes, number 5. I'm gonna go in and do my face routine. I'm not going to actually do it on camera because I did it on camera about 2 videos ago, I believe. But I'm just going to show you this new product that I'm going to be trying out right now. Thanks to Influencer. If you don't know what Influencer is a social media, like it's an app you can download on your phone. You sign up. When you sign up, they ask you a series of questions like what's your skin type, what's your hair type, what do you like, what do you dislike, stuff like that. So I signed up about a couple of months ago. You can post your pictures of your looks, your hair, you can like talk in forums, you can do these little surveys on products that you've used and rate it and give your review about it. So it's basically reviews, and you share it on all your social media sites. The more active you are on that site, then the more you're open to be receiving a Vox box. A Vox box is basically a box they send you, so certain people they send, and it's filled up with products. So I got my first Vox box a couple of weeks ago. I got an Origins Vox box. You open it up and it looks like this. Full size product. This is what it is. It is the Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb by Origins. Looks like this. So let's go ahead and try this primer. They say you're supposed to shake well and dispense onto fingertips. Smooth on after moisturizer and before makeup. You already know I moisturized my face already, so let me go ahead and shake it up. It's kind of like an aerosol. It sounds like an aerosol bottle. Ooh. It comes out like that. Oh my god. It comes out like this. It is really cooling. Oh my god. Woo. Woo. Oh my god. It smells kind of nice, but oh my god. Oh. It has a pretty decent smell. It feels so good. Oh my god. I like it actually. It feels really good on the skin. It doesn't feel like cakey or anything. So I'm gonna let that sit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. But like I said, guys, go ahead and check out Influencer. You might be receiving a Vox box sooner than later once you sign up and start being active. Okay, so my face stuff is done. Everything that I've used will be down in the description box. To line my waterline, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the color 0. To smoke out or to add a little bit of color to my under eye, I'm going to go in with that dark color, well, that green color, that Fresh Chive color, and I'm going to blend that onto my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with my highlight to highlight my face. I'm going to be taking my NARS Orgasm Blush. It's a blush, yes, but on me it looks like a nice highlight. It comes off as a nice golden highlight, but it looks like this. It's a really nice pinkish blush. It's a nice pinkish blush, and I'm going to be using this as my highlighter. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. bronzing brush. It's nice and angled and small, and I'm going to be using that to apply. So I'm going to tap it, take off the excess. I want to add a little bit more shabam, so I'm going in with my favorite highlighting palette, the Anastasia That Glow palette. This is like her first palette she came out with. I'm going to be taking the color Bubbly, this one right here, and I'm going to tap that on top of the NARS Orgasm for an extra highlight. So now that's set, I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm just going to spritz my face. I'm I'm going to be taking my NYX, Handy Dandy NYX Espresso Lip Liner to line my lips. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild matte lipstick in the color Mochalicious. It's like a brown color. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to go ahead and add this Bare Minerals Forbidden Gloss in the color Brilliant. I'm going to add a little bit of that on top. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think of this look down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to share this video. Follow all of my social media sites. Those two will be down below in the description box as always. Until we meet again, y'all.